Today we're shaping a peaceful, minimal aesthetic that's perfect for calming visuals. Begin by reducing saturation so colors feel soft and quiet. Lighten the brightest areas gently, and reduce shadows for an airy mood. Remove objects or textures that clutter the frame. Simplicity is the heart of minimal editing. Add slight warm tones or cool tones depending on the atmosphere you want. Keep sharpness low for a smooth, relaxed feeling. Minimal aesthetics are all about space, clarity, and soft emotions. Thanks for joining. More aesthetic styles coming your way.